Did you know a quiet lake in Africa killed 1,700 people in a single night without making a sound? Lake Nyos in Cameroon sat still on August 21st, 1986. No storm, no earthquake, no warning. Deep beneath the surface, volcanic rock had been pumping carbon dioxide into the water for years. The lake was holding it like a pressurized bottle. That night, something triggered a release. A massive, invisible cloud of CO2 rolled downhill into sleeping villages. It hugged the ground, it moved silently, and it suffocated everything it touched. Survivors woke at higher elevations to find their neighbors dead. No marks, no fire, no explanation they could see. Cattle, birds, insects, all gone. The gas had simply erased the valley, and the terrifying part is that other lakes around the world hold the same pressure. Right now, still waiting.